30 নয় তো 1-10 1st of October 2005. Disposed. Disposed. What's your name?
I'm for the state, my lord.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. Here, Lordship, the sisters are the petitioners, Lordship. The employee was unmarried and she nominated her sister in the PPC in the PPO, Lordship. Page 24. কি আছে তো এরিয়া পেন্ডেন্সিয়ান till number 10 in the PPO.
My lord, name of the elder sister, my lord, kindly see, name of the elder sister has not been mentioned in the writ petition, my lord.
Maya
So
Mondal.
any paragraph.
Maya Mondal.
Chaya Mondal is the elder sister, my lord.
Maya and Chaya.
Maya and
Come.
Nominee, Lordship.
no, my Chobi Mondal is his elder sister.
No, Lordship.
But
the
name has not been mentioned in the writ petition.
two sister, Lordship. That is the mention.
Chobi has expired.
Yes, expired.
Then
Elder sister, name of the elder sister has not been mentioned. It has
PP
already
has
expired.
been annexed.
My lord.
Page 20.
And page 24, Chaya and Maya, both are names
Both
of
are
here.
unmarried, unmarried.
And
Their
employee
names
is not
are already reflected in the PPO.
My lord. His name has appeared in the PPO. All right. দিয়ে দিন আর কি।
Son. Are unmarried sisters. Week 13 মানে 1 March থেকে পাবে 13 till the date of reference. Yes. Disposed.
My lord.
আপনি কি পেনে বলেছেন? আপনার নামে তো গ্রুপে অ্যাড হয়ে
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. Here, the son and daughter.
I'm for the state.
Petitioner, Lordship.
এদিকে দিন এদিকে। How many? 5?
5, Lordship.
আর the sons and daughters দরকার নেই, children করে দেবেন।
Failure certificate 28 page.
হ্যাঁ 19-7-14 না দাঁড়ান এটা তো সেলিমা খাতুন ইসমাত হচ্ছে 21-9-20 and his children 11 তারিখে his এইখানেতেই চিলড্রেন হবে baby in fear of their deceased father and XJW DI Hooghly from the রিটায়ার করলো 30শে জুন মানে 1লা জুলাই 97 থেকে ঠিক আছে ডিসপোজ Or please read fully.
Again, I am for the this transfer. You'll also kindly turn to page 49. Yes, that was I have served
For
upon
the state.
My lord, last occasion, your lordship, my lord, directed the state and also me to take instruction from the school. My lord, my lord, I don't got any instruction, my lord, today.
Who is for the state?
My lord, I have also my lord the sent directly to the DI and my lord Subhasis Chatterjee, my lord the appearing for the state. I have served upon all of them. School, DI, state. My lord, I have got a my lord the staff pattern. Your lordship, my lord the present staff pattern. Your lordship is required my lord the to produce before your lordship. My lord the difficulties. First, you will also kindly see page 49. Petitioner's transfer application was returned back on the ground rule 5 sub rule 6 of the transfer rules. That is why not the beyond 10% school should not forward. My lord, the first application you also will find page 49, serial number 4, 13th August 2021.
Yes.
That was on that ground returned the application. Second application serial number 2, 5th September. In between 13th August and 5th September, number of my lord the teachers joined. My lord, lordship, I have annexed my lord the page 67. Although this was issued my lord in March 2025, my lord presently I have handed over my lord your lordship will find.
Social science group.
My lord also my lord the petitioner is a geography teacher. There are 4 geography teachers, and your lordship will find serial number 17. He joined on 4th September. My lord, after my first application, joined.
Serial number 17.
Serial number 17, 4th September. And thereafter, serial number 4, serial number 12.
No, serial number 17 is a mathematics teacher.
Mathematics, total strength, rejected 10% of total strength.
Yes.
And there
How
are
many?
4 teachers in geography.
Where
You also
is-
can see the social science group.
Social science, geography 1, 2, 3, 4.
Serial number 31, social science.
Ananya is the last one.
4 geography teacher.
Hmm.
And neither it is a single teacher, nor is the 10%. My applications after
Now
my
it is 52.
and my lord, the
First
number of teachers joined. My lord, it is a big school.
and then only 45.
4
45
join,
teachers are there.
11 join, 15 join, 16 join, 17 join, 30 join. My lord, the direct the school. My lord, this is the
See, page 67, I can see your name figured at serial number 37. Today
37.
also your name is at 37.
Yes, yes.
Then how does the strength increase?
Serial number 37,
Total is 45, total is 45.
45.
Then 10%,
No. Total is 45. When my application was returned, school said the 10% already first application. But the second application, after the first applications, my lord, the 17 joined. And after 17, you will also will find 4 join. Then, my lord, the 12 join, 14 join, 15 join, 16 join.
and serial number 3 is vacant. Serial number 18 is vacant, 21 is vacant.
Vacant. But the 10%, my lord, they cannot be counted.
Please take instruction.
Yes, yes.
Whether
My lord, only thing, my lord, the 10% of the total teaching strength. My lord, it always varies because
yes, it
maybe
will vary.
petitioner is right, maybe
No,
petitioner is wrong. It is
10%,
very difficult. my lord.
10% applicable when the transfer application was processed.
Yes.
That part is over, my lord, in the year 2021. Now, my lord, nobody have applied for transfer.
So that has to be ascertained if anybody.
Yes, whether anybody has applied or something.
Otherwise, petitioner will.
How soon can you take instruction?
My lord,
It was, my lord, the hard
so far, my lord, it is the state has to take instruction because he is directly involved with the school. But the commission can take. My lord, you appear good, sir.
Call him. Where is your learned friend?
I
Do you have his phone number? Call him. You can get the phone number and call him. If he's there, you can bring him.
You know?
Subhasis Chatterjee.
Phone number.
Ashwandeki Nana appears on behalf of the state respondents. Stop.
Direct the DI to produce the record. Man, DI
through him.
school. I also serve upon the school authority also. School did not my lord the turn up.
The
Headmaster.
learned advocate
Headmaster
representing the state respondents is directed to take instruction. কাউকে তো notice দিতে হবে।
Report জমা দিয়েছি DI কে hearing করে লাভ নেই।
হ্যাঁ। Take instruction. Instruction na is directed to obtain a report from the concerned district inspector of schools as to whether the petitioner's application will fall within the 10% strength, 10% of the teacher's strength, making her eligible for transfer. I released the matter on 2nd of December.
The
That
petitioner's
notice we served upon the learned advocate
I'm-
representing the state.
petitioner's application dated 5th September. Yes, kindly mention.
Which year?
5th
22,
September 2021.
21. আচ্ছা petitioner's application বললাম না
This
can
is
we
the last application.
transfer ওই ডেটটা হচ্ছে 5th September 2021.
এখন তো পার্সেন্টেজ চলবে। Now the percentage criteria has been lifted after the 3rd January. 3rd January there are two circular. One my lord single teacher that has been lifted. There are another circular 3rd January, no percentage.
10% is not
Not
required.
required.
Why don't you make a fresh application so that they can consider? Why are you going going behind?
Again, my lord, they will take point, my lord, the 10%. Well, they let them take instructions. My lord, that will be better.
If 10% is no longer required, then why wait?
এই শুভ্র আছে কোনো জায়গায় 10% আর লাগবে না 10 AC বলছি
Yes.
9 AC 10 AC
Madam, I am for the petitioner, madam. Under conversion to CPF to GPF. Widow is the petitioner died in hardness. Widow is the petitioner died in hardness, madam.
Who is the petitioner?
Widow.
Widow is the petitioner. Widow is the petitioner.
Died in hardness, madam.
What you want?
Conversion to CPF to GPF.
Huh?
Conversion to CPF to GPF.
Oh. Group D.
No, assistant teacher. Husband was the assistant teacher.
See, you shown over here group D. How now it will go down as group D and then it will come for
Correct,
correction. If you hand over copies, you should properly mention it. Now what is happening? I have to check each and every document to see whether you all are correcting properly or not. Where is the death certificate?
19. Page 19.
Even the date of death is given wrongly.
Yeah.
All right, disposed. Perhaps.
My lord, I am for the petition.
I am for the state
My lord, the
respondent.
claim of they are the assistant teacher, my lord, the guest teacher, area claim, area salary. The representation pending before the DI, page 44.
1 minute. How many teachers?
My lord, I have paid the court fees, madam.
It's not a matter of court fees.
Six.
How can 6 teachers join up together?
On the same,
Everybody has got individual claims.
on the same school, my lord. Same school.
There are so many writ petitions. Self-same cause of action?
Right.
Will only one writ petition suffice? It will not.
But-
How can you do it in this manner?
My lord, the school is the same.
So what?
All of the guest teacher working in the same school.
And the guest teachers are receiving their salary separately.
Saving the separate.
Then it is the salary doesn't fall in a consolidated account where everybody shares their share.
Next time I will get. My lord, I have paid the court fees and in terms of the
It's
courts.
not
courts
a
require-
matter of court fees.
No, I understand, my lord. Next time, my lord, I will not. My lord, as per court's order, I have paid this amount. My lord, page 44, my lord,
The court was kind enough to grant you this leave. I would not have.
my lord. Page 44, my lord, my application is pending before the DI. So DI to take the decision, my lord.
But I already give a letter to the teacher in charge for further consideration. That area, what would be?
So let it, my lord, the entire thing be considered by the commissioner, respondent number 2, my lord. কি দিয়েছে TIC কে?
ফার্দার এরিয়া কি আছে ডিটেলটা জানাও।
Oh. Oh,
Did you make the school a party?
yes, madam.
Who is appearing?
School.
Where is the school a party?
Will not party, your lordship.
Whether all papers have been forwarded by the school to the district inspector of schools.
Page 44, my lord,
Page 44 is only a letter.
by the school.
It is only a letter.
Later, along with this, my lord, the next page, my lord, the representation also.
কি করলে বেটার হতো?
ভুল হয়ে গেছে দেখছি। কি করে party হলো না? So, my lord, DI to take hold this, my lord. and to
Listen,
take-
what is your prayer for payment of area dues of the petitioner?
My lord.
What are your area dues?
Area dues for the period, my lord, I have, my lord, the bill also I have annexed.
Please show.
Individual bill, my lord, the total, my lord, I have annexed. All this.
Please show. Next staff.
On page 71 onwards.
16 to 19.
Fixation of guest staff. Remuneration. Total. How much have you received?
Total, you, my lord, the all teachers, my lord, 22 lakhs, 2,20,721.
এরিয়াতে কোথায় লেখা?
এর এরিয়ার উপরেই লেখা আছে,
2,20,000.
my lord. The total, my lord, total here, my lord, page 72, 12,90,039, right side. Page 72.
টোটাল টিচার।
Total, my lord, the top, my lord, showing the consolidated statement of area bill of guest staffs. So, my lord, right side bottom, 12,90,039.
How much did you get?
My lord,
Where
my lord,
from is this area coming?
yes, my lord, for
You
serial number-
retired from service long back.
long thereafter, my lord, 2018, I have, my lord, retired.
Yes,
18,
2018.
19, 2018,
Right.
19.
Now it is 25.
Well, thereafter, my lord, I'm trying to, my lord, produce the documents and trying to get the amount. My lord, serial number 1, 22 lakhs. Serial number 2, my lord, 2 lakhs, 40,000, 42,000. Enter, my lord, the total, my lord, here is, my lord. So, my lord, take the decision by the DI, my lord, whether they are entitled to get or not.
Please come. 6 petitioners have filed the instant writ petition claiming to be retired teachers. No, retired staff. Of secondary schools and high madrasas. So they allege that there are certain dues which are payable by the state respondents. So a representation was made by the petitioners, and the petitioners allege that the same is kept pending. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondents has obtained instruction from the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Murshidabad, wherefrom it appears that the DI sought for the necessary documents from the teacher in charge of the Bhagavangola New Integrated Government School to verify the claim of the petitioners. Stop. As the school is not a party, comma, it cannot be the party in the instant writ petition, comma, it cannot be ascertained as to whether the school forwarded the papers to the DI. Stop. Next paragraph. As it appears that the claim of the petitioners is still pending consideration, accordingly, the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Murshidabad, is directed to call for the records from the school, and if the same is not made available by the school, comma, then the DI shall send a representative to the school to verify the records. Stop. If it appears that any amount is due and payable to the petitioners, comma, then necessary steps shall be taken to disburse the same. Stop. The teacher in charge of the subject school is directed to render all necessary help and cooperation to the District Inspector of Schools for implementation of the order passed herein above. The DI shall pass a reasoned order in the matter and communicate the same to the petitioners at the earliest, but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. The receipt showing deposit of deficit court fees filed in court be written with the records. Where have you deposited? Show the deposit. Where is the seal? You have affixed the stamp, but where are the seals to show that you deposited?
It was filed in the computer department. No, there is no system to number পড়েছে কিছু? Number পড়ে?
Number পড়বে তো একটা, other number পড়বে।
Number has been given মানে number 1. কোথায় লেখা নাম্বার এখানে? মুখে বলে দিলে তো।
কোর্ট ফিস জমা করেছি, কোথা থেকে বুঝছেন? Alright. Alright. Court fees deposited. We retain with the records. Disposed.
Lordship, may I permit to mention with apology, Lordship, item number 4, I was appearing in state appeal.
কি হয়েছে 4?
চলে গেছে তো
নিরঞ্জন
কি হয়েছে?
disposed of lordship.
Disposed of? What was the matter?
There should be same order. Previously, one order was passed by, the same order was passed.
Give. Yes,
My lord, I am for the
give.
sir, petitioner appears in the SSC examination, my lord, he was recommended, my lord, page 12, sure.
না চলে যাচ্ছে
P2, my lord. Recommended, my lord,
মানে ট্রান্সফার ম্যাটার অন ড্রাইভার্স গ্রাউন্ড মানে পেন্ডিং বিফোর স্কুল
School.
My lord,
Where
page
is it?
21. Page 21, my lord, P7. Transfer on the drivers.
So where is the application in the prescribed format?
My lord,
নো
Application
অ্যাপ্লিকেশন
to be made in the prescribed
Yes.
format, otherwise it cannot be done. They will never consider your application, it will be kept pending.
বিকজ ডিভিশন বেঞ্চ
The petitioner seeks transfer.
আমি বলে দিচ্ছি
Stop. From the documents annexed to the writ petition, it appears that the petitioner is yet to make the application for transfer in the prescribed format. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the instant writ petition is disposed of with the observation that it will be open for the petitioner to apply for transfer in the prescribed format. Stop. In the event such an application is made, then the school shall consider the same in accordance with law and the prevailing guidelines at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of filing the application. Stop. If the petitioner's application is allowed, comma, then necessary consequential steps shall be taken by the school authority at the earliest. Disposed. Service is taken on record.
my lord, one application, my lord, supplementary affidavit inadvertently, my lord, the documents has not been annexed for divorce, my lord. That is,
Is it required? It is disposed of. If you want to file, file. But then it is not required.
record, my lord.
Record.
My lord, kindly record.
Supplementary affidavit. Take it in.
My lord.
Time for the petition.
Faithful.
Your transfer application on distance ground, prescribed pro forma pending before the school authority, no NOC has been issued, no decision has been taken yet.
14 my lord,
All
for
right,
the state.
school.
For the state.
না না
Good.
স্কুলের উপর ডিরেকশন
School pending. Disposed.
Faithful. Under 59 for the petitioner, my lord.
Hmm.
My lord, is general ground, distance ground transfer application pending before the commission. My lord. Online transfer application, page 20 is the extract.
Page.
Page 20. 20.
Forwarded to SSC for taking necessary action. Commission, you are there?
Yes.
All right. Commission will consider.
Great.
Good.
The time for the petitioner. Well, it is distance ground transfer application on prescribed pro forma. Well, school already issued the NOC. Your lordship may turn page number 23. On 18th September 2025, already school issued the NOC. So it
But
is
has it been forwarded? You don't know.
that I am
Achha.
wondering.
Very well.
I'm for the commissioner.
The petitioner seeks general transfer. His application was was considered by the school, and no objection of the school has been given. Stop. There is nothing on record to suggest that the school forwarded the application of the petitioner to the district inspector of schools as required in law. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the school authority to forward the application of the petitioner to the district inspector of schools for taking a decision in the matter. at the earliest, but positively within a period of, আচ্ছা যেখানে বললাম না school will forward, at the earliest but positively within a period of 4 weeks from the date of communication of this order. ঠিক আছে, এবার DI
My lord,
8 weeks
subject to
thereafter
correction, my lord, decision has already taken. Your lordship,
by the
by the school authority. My lord,
no
you see-
no school has taken a decision, he'll forward it to the DI.
Yes, yes, yes. And all the authorities shall abide by
Yes,
the
yes.
consequential steps
ঠিক
shall be
আছে।
taken by the all the responsible.
DI DY will take all necessary consequential steps in the event the petitioner's application is allowed.
My lord, instead of DI, all the authorities, my lord.
আচ্ছা,
SSC
DI all authorities will take steps.
আর কিছু
না।
ব্যাস দ্যাটস ইতনাই
Item number 17, my lord.
না না
Similar to item number 16, NOC issue,
Yes,
distance
sir.
ground
Sir,
transfer
sir.
application,
Sir.
NOC part is page 20, your lordship may turn, page 20. 13th September 2025, NOC has already issued by the school.
দেখি একটু
এটা না আগেরটা হিজ অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ছিল, এটা হার অ্যাপ্লিকেশন হবে, ঠিক আছে। আর সিমিলারলি স্কুল থেকে ডিআই
My lord, previously also,
পাঠাবে 4 weeks এর মধ্যে,
Rumana is also,
ডিআই will consider 8 weeks এর
my
মধ্যে।
lord, previously also a female candidate, Rumana. Sheikh Rumana is a female candidate.
Sheikh something I saw.
No, no, Sheikh, I have asked, but Sheikh Rumana.
ও তাহলে ওটাও হার।
Sheikh
I
Rumana.
didn't see the next
Yes, yes,
portion.
no, 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 no. sir.
Sheikh, and I thought he
Oh,
was
yes, yes. My lord, transfer application of spouse medical ground pending before the commission. Page 23 is when extract, Utsosri extract.
23
Is pending before the commission. Spouse medical.
না না সেই ট্রান্সফার
মেডিকেল গ্রাউন্ড
pending before the commission, spouse medical ground. Disposed.
Great. My lord, distance ground transfer application on self medical ground, cardiac problem. My lord, school already issued the
Yes.
আমি কমিশন
But then you do not know whether it has been forwarded or not. Not forwarded.
স্কুল উইল ফরওয়ার্ড
School will forward.
My lord,
This is a his.
If and it's a distance, instead of distance is a medical.
Medical. All right.
সঞ্জয়
কোন মেডিকেল গ্রাউন্ড তাই তো
Medical.
ও স্পাউস
No, no, say self medical.
সেলফ মেডিকেল গ্রাউন্ড সেটাই বলছি ঠিক আছে
School to forward. School granted NOC. আগে যেটা হলো না দুটো,
ঠিক আছে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট
এই 16-17 স্কুল NOC granted.
And my lord, it is a medical ground.
Yes. It will go to the DI. Disposed.
My lord, medical ground transfer application pending before the school, no decision has taken.
Whose medical?
My lord, self medical,
Self medical ground.
offline. Offline transfer application pending before the school authority, no decision has taken, no.
All right. Pending before the school.
Great. Great. Great.
আরে
21, is anybody there?
হেতুন নয়
Shubhankar Chandra Roy, I'm making it not today.
I'm for the petitioner, my lord, in this matter. Kindly come to page 85. What is single subject teacher?
85?
85, my lord.
Yes.
Kindly see the remarks at the top right hand side. As per order number, this 3rd January 2022, HOL will not reject the application, inform about it with name of nearest
1 minute, top, right?
hand side remarks from DI 85.
number 1
Lordship is seeing Prabhat
Oh,
Kumar Mollik.
85, right.
Prabhat Kumar Mollik.
As per order number 6.
Yes.
HOI will not,
Not reject the application and inform about it with name of nearby schools having same subject teacher of marking local arrangement in school. HOI will forward application after communication of the arrangement. Well, it is the responsibility of the DI. So it cannot be shifted upon the HOI. So my lord, 3rd January is to be followed. Amitabh Pal, Lordship's judge. Single subject teacher. 3rd January casts obligation upon the DI, not upon the school. My Lordship's judgment. That irrespective of finding the resultant vacancy, that portion is
yes.
there.
Is anything required to be?
Yes, yes. That irrespective of finding and resultant vacancy.
No, it's all right. That is here irrespective of finding.
Yes.
Which DI? Howrah.
Howrah. General ground transfer.
Well, DI used to take steps in accordance
Yes.
with the 3rd January notification. That
Yes. And my lord, that observation your lordship has made.
It is here. I think
Yes, yes,
it's
yes.
mentioned.
Yes, yes. Amitabh Pal, it is there. That observation portion.
The prayer of the petitioner seeking transfer was returned by the district inspector of schools to the head of the institution with a direction to make local arrangement in the school, as the petitioner was a single subject teacher. Stop. That's 2 will remain, 3 will remain. 4, 5, 6, 7.
কি অবজারভেশনটা কি চাই বুঝতে পারছি না
যেটা জজ সাহেব লিখেছেন রূপক ধোয়া ফলো
কে লিখেছেন
জজ সাহেবের অর্ডার আছে
ও আচ্ছা
রূপক ধোয়া ফলো করে যেটা
এই
ডিভিশন
এখানে তো শুধু ডিআই করলেই তো হতো
ওইটাই লেখা আছে
Dated 3rd January.
that irrespective of the
Post.
fact and resultant vacancy your lordship has. Grateful to lord.
গেটফুল
ওটা প্রদীপ।
কত রেখে 23
For the petitioner, my lord, offline application school has forwarded to the DI. Kindly come to page number 101.
দেখো 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 কি হচ্ছে দেখো
It is pending at the end of the DI.
মেডিকেল মেডিকেল
দেখছি। NOC is at page 92.
All right.
Yes.
DI.
না এটা offline. Next.
24
For the petitioner, my lord, kindly come to page number 97. It is pending at the end of the commission on medical ground.
Self.
Uh,
Spouse gynecological disorder. Spouse medical ground.
Spouse medical ground.
দেখি একবার দেখি ডেটটা দেখি
দেখো
মালাড one thing malad medical ground November 2022 malad it has been forward
There is an order for
order.
fresh medical.
fresh medical examination
কোনো চিন্তা করতে হবে আছে তো if required. পরেরটা আরো আছে
Commission spouse medical ground. বলা শুরু ওখানে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ আছে ওই যে fresh medical checkup may be conducted if required. Disposed.
Grateful to lordship. Kindly.
Yes.
Page 90.
school party school
Single subject teacher. The school has no role to say in single subject teacher. School needs to forward it to the commission. And this Amitabh Pal again. madam.
Returned by the school on the ground of single subject teacher.
That observation for Amitabh Pal.
Yes, the whole thing will come.
Just hand it over in case your lordship requires.
So stood rejected by the school.
সুন্দর করি চাপা চপ দিয়ে দিই মিটিং আমরা দাদা তোমাদের নিউ ইয়ারে আমি তোমার ফরেনসিক করব
এইটা হবে না Yes, next.
Grateful.
Numbers of the
The transfer bundle is over.
From one,
There are many in the combined list.
my lord, 60% transfer matters. We have
I'm
classified.
trying to accommodate
It will
as
be done,
much
my lord.
as possible.
Transfer matter takes very less. Many matters. Maybe 2-3 weeks it will be over.
Let us
Transfer matter.
see how
Lordship
much
is
can be
taking
done this
transfer
side.
from 1 p.m. also. 1 p.m.
Yes,
also.
yes,
So it will
I'll
be cleared
take-
out. And my
I'll
lord,
take
transfer matters doesn't take much time. So my lord, it will be. But 60% is transfer matters. না না শেষ করে দিতে হবে তো
It will never end.
It will end, my lord. It will end.
As soon
What
as,
is
as soon as your lordship list is my lord exhausted, our list is also exhausted.
What will happen to us then?
Lordship,
26.
widow seeks to refund, Lordship. Widow seeks to refund.
Widow seeks to refund.
We avail the pension, Lordship.
Is it ROPA case?
ROPA means ROPA 90, option exercise under ROPA 90.
Option was exercised under ROPA 90. There are CPF, GPF conversion matters. Widow seeks to refund. That is a different set.
Yes,
And this is a different set.
yes, Lordship.
So this one is
Husband exercise option under ROPA 90, Lordship.
husband exercised option.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Where have you stated?
So I have stated in the paragraph 5
5.
and also 3, Lordship. Come to 3.
Yes. Madam 2023. All right, same order disposed.
And for the petitioner, Lordship, there is the Lordship, employee is the petitioner, Lordship. Employee seeks to refund and also exercise the option under ROPA 90.
He exercised option.
Yes, Lordship. Paragraph 4, I have stated, Lordship.
All right, disposed. Order আছে.
Same at 27, Lordship. Petitioner is the employee.
This is also same.
Same, Lordship.
Petitioner is the employee.
Yes, sir.
She prays bulbuli ko.
27 আমি কারেকশন করে দিয়েছি এই বেঞ্চেরই order.
All right, same order.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. This is also same matter, Lordship.
Who is the employee? Petitioner.
Petitioner. Paragraph 4, I have corrected Lordship's order.
Disposed.
I am for the petition, Lordship, here widow seeks to refund. Husband was the teacher and the exercise option under open 90.
Disposed. Thirty-one will be called on. Just let them find the file. 32.
33 and 34, kindly make it not to the lot because Madam Orunabopati appearing in this matter, he has but yet come. Kindly only make it not.
Not today.
Get me.
32, 33, 34.
Get
I am for the petition, my lord. Where the employer CPF, GPF.
Take it to.
Yes, the money. About but
Disposed.
yes, full mark.
Same order. 31.
I don't know 31. 31, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner is the minor son of the deceased employee. Subsequently, my lord, the father of the petitioner remarried. And thereafter, my lord, the petitioner here in the minor son is wanted to avail the pensionary benefits of his deceased mother, my lord. Well, after the deceased teacher died, the family pension was sanctioned in favor of the father of the petitioner. Subsequently, the marriage was there. And after that, he submitted the pension and applied for the family pension in favor of his minor son. My lord, the representation is at page 24 and 23 and 24, my lord. Before the director of Provident
Who
Fund and
is
Group.
this? Mohan Mohanto. Who is he?
Father, my lord.
Father is there. Father is remarried.
Yes.
Now he wants a family pension to go to his son. State. I cannot hear you, sir.
My lord, the learned advocate Sambuddha Dotto, appearing for the state in this matter, is currently engaged in another.
Is
Engaged in another court, my lord.
Yes.
I was praying for short possible. I came running right now.
Are you aware whether he has received any instruction from the authority or not?
My lord,
You
as
are
far
not
as-
aware. Oh, on 22nd of September, you have given the representation, then it has certainly not been considered.
For that,
Please
I have
come.
also made one representation on it.
The petitioner is the minor son of a deceased teacher. Stop. The mother of the
You can
petitioner, না তার আগে লিখুন, the minor is being represented by his father. Stop. The mother of the petitioner died in harness on
28th November 2014 at page 17, Your Lordship.
28th November 2014. Stop. The father of the petitioner has remarried. Stop. Prayer for family pension in favor of the minor son has been sought for. Minor son of the deceased teacher has been sought for. Stop. The prayer is pending consideration before the respondent authorities. Stop. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Uttar Dinajpur, to consider the prayer.
My Lord, DPPG,
You want DPPG to consider? No, it should be considered by the DI first. Show me the relevant memorandum pursuant to which it will be considered. Who is to consider it?
my Lord, under DCRB scheme, Rule
Yes.
2627, my Lord. I don't have.
Read out.
Yes, ma'am. The period during which the family pension is admissible, Rule 26B, in case of minor son until he attains the age of 18 years.
Yes, and who is the authority?
My Lord, the authority in case of sanctioning pension is the DPPG. Therefore,
It will be routed through the DI to
Alright.
the DPPG.
all right.
Since it is, my lord, the already family pension
Was sanctioned in favor of the.
now the
Father, it was sanctioned.
Yes, my Lord.
Where is it?
Yes, ma'am.
then my lord, that will be considered by the DPP.
No, where is it?
Page 18, my Lord.
August 17.
Yes, Lord.
And when did he remarry?
Now, we'll do it. And on 31st, 31st
August 18.
2018.
31st of August 18. আচ্ছা তাহলে মাঝখানে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ অ্যাড আপ করুন থাকবে ওটা পরে দেবো আফটার
এটা ভুল হচ্ছে এটা ভুল হচ্ছে হিন্দু ম্যারেজ অ্যাক্ট আন্ডার 15th
অ্যাক্ট এই যে
ওটা সাইন
after the death of the teacher,
এটা বলে দিই
my lord the
family pension was, yes,
my lord the date was 15th October 2017 and the remarriage was page 20, my lord, in the middle portion. Under
31st August 2018.
that was the seal stamped was given by the sub registrar, my lord, but the under Hindu Marriage Act it was solemnized on the date as mentioned. Middle portion 15th October 2017.
Middle portion 15th of October 2017. All right.
The marriage was registered on 31st.
Yes,
but
yes,
it
I
was
followed.
solemnized on
Right, right. Date of death is November 2014. কবে মারা গেছে কি বললাম? Died in harness. 14. After the death of the teacher, comma, her husband received family pension. Stop. EPPO was issued in his favor on 16th August 2017. Stop. The husband of the teacher remarried on 15th October 2017. ঠিক আছে? Stop. এবারে prayer has been made, উপরে যেটা বললাম না, for grant of family pension in favor of the minor son. ঠিক আছে? The application is pending consideration বললাম, ঠিক আছে? It will be considered by the DPPG.
ঠিক আছে, pending authority DPP.
TI বলেছিলাম DPPG in accordance with law at the earliest but positively within a period of 12 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Chuck. All consequential steps to release family pension in favor of the minor shall be taken immediately thereafter. ঠিক আছে? আর একটা জিনিস, learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to forward a copy of the representation along with all supporting documents to the DPPG at the time of communicating the order of the court. Disposed. Service is taken on record.
Grateful to your lordship. My lord, instead of 12 weeks, can it be 8 weeks?
No, this time I am giving little bit more time because of all SIR and everything is going on. They are very busy. Right?
As it is DPPG.
36.
The matter is to overhead prayer. The amount has been deducted from the pensionary benefits, that is from the PPO of the petitioner, page 14. $272,842 has been deducted. After retirement of the petitioner. Or may I hand over?
Do you have? Please give.
Or I have no. This order is related to treasury challan.
This was done directly from your terminal benefits. Treasury
Yes.
challan was not.
Not. Paragraph 8 I have stated. There are two ways, my lord. Either they can
Wait.
be.
After retirement of the petitioner, a sum of rupees two. Where is the figure mentioned? Have you calculated?
Yes, my lord.
Where is
In
it?
PPO, your lordship.
PPO, it is mentioned.
Yes, my lord.
72842.
In PPO,
yes, I've
right hand side.
I have got it. All right, disposed. Order আছে.
I am for the petitioner lordship. This same match. 6 to refund. Petitioner is the retired teacher and 6 to refund lordship.
Let me see. Have you annexed the PPO?
No lordship. PPO has not been issued. Only service book I have annexed.
Service book. Who is the Petitioner.
Petitioner is the teacher, retired teacher, Lordship.
Petitioner is the retired
Yes,
teacher.
Lordship. Retired 31st of October 2000.
2000.
Option exercise under OPA 90 and also 98.
সুব্রত বাবু সেম অর্ডার আছে এখানে সি গুলো হি হচ্ছে সেটা করে দিয়েছে একটু চেক করে নেবেন ডিসপোজড
Yes, sir. Beautiful.
For the petitioner, my lord.
ইয়েস
CPF to GPA barrier pension. Withdraw is the petitioner.
PPO was issued when?
PPO issued by 25 August 2023.
25 August 23 and 10/7/23 it was refunded. All right. Petitioners only one petitioner, isn't it?
Yes, my lord. Withdraw is the petitioner.
Petitioner claims, the teacher does not have anybody else,
No, my lord.
only the wife.
Only the wife, my lord.
Then why have you there may be others also. Wife will be the heir. It's all right. I mention it as heir. Disposed.
I am for the prisoner, my lord. CPF to GPA barrier pension.
Video has come.
Withdraw has come, my lord.
Yes, disposed.
I am for the petitioner, my lord. CPF to GPA barrier pension. Withdraw is the petitioner.
Disposed.
For the petitioner, this is, my lord, overdrawn. The treasury challan is at, my lord, page 17. Retired, my lord, 30th September 2024.
Disposed.
Great.
Lordship, conversion of CPF to GPF. Widow before your lordship.
Your PPO is absolutely illegible, cannot read anything. Disposed.
I am for the petitioner lordship. Conversion of CPF to GPF lordship. Widow before your lordship.
Disposed.
Conversion of CPF to GPF lordship. Petitioner himself in this case.
Yes. What? Yes. Yes. What can be done? You calculate, let her know if she can refund, then with interest, additional interest. Next.
I am for the petition. Lordship, overdrawn TR Chalan is at page 18.
Why are you coming after so many days?
Lordship, deposited on 16th July 2021.
Yes. We are in 25. July 25 is over. 4 years passed. Why will your prayer be allowed?
Lordship, kindly see paragraph number 9, Lordship.
Yes, paragraph 9 says it was in 21.
Yes, Lordship.
You have filed the writ petition in 25 November. Why will it be allowed? Please come. The petitioner retired from service on attaining her normal age of superannuation on 31st of January 2021. Stop. Prior to her retirement, she was directed to refund a sum of rupees 1,53,805, which was drawn in excess by her. Stop. The petitioner prays for refund of the same. Reliance has been placed on the judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in the matter of State of Traffic Mercy. In the instant case, it appears that though the petitioner retired in the year, retired in January 21 and refund was made in July 21, the petitioner has approached the court for refund of the amount deposited only in November 2025. Stop. There is no explanation as to why the petitioner delayed in approaching the court for relief. Stop. Paragraph. After more than 4 years of retirement of the employee, the court is not inclined to pass any direction for refund of the money paid. Stuff. In view of the above, no relief can be granted to the petitioner in the instant case. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
Much obliged.
Yes.
I'm for the petition. The conversion from CPF to GPF. The widow is the petitioner. Yes.
Disposed.
Good.
Sorry, madam, I cannot hear you. Which matter? 46. Put in your appearance, please. Put in your appearance for this. When did you get empaneled? So you are not the state council. You just now mentioned I am appearing. On behalf of was not mentioned. It remained silent. How will the court get to know that you are holding brief on behalf of somebody? If your senior is not here, her name cannot be recorded. her or his name cannot be recorded. All right. No, don't give. Next.
My lord, I am for the petitioner. The teacher is my lord, CPF to GPF. Teacher is petitioner, the exercise option is Ropa 90 and 98.
All right, disposed.
And I am for the petition. Conversion from CPF to GPF, my lord. Widow is the petitioner, my lord, died in hardness.
Page. Yes. 39, yes. Yes. 1990 option.
My lord.
Yes, that is the later one. The husband could not give because he died prior thereto. That is the court's order. That exactly is the court's order. Yes, disposed. Check up the court's order.
Grateful.
Lordship, overall PR challan is at 18.
Disposed.
Much 50 also I am for the petitioner. My lord, overall PR challan is at page 18.
Disposed.
Much obliged.
And I am for the petition. The overdrawn, my lord, treasury challan.
Disposed.
My lord, overdrawn, my lord, treasury challan.
Now this will be dismissed.
My lord.
There is delay.
Retired 2022, my lord.
You refunded only in 24.
Yes, my lord.
Oh.
Retirement, my lord, 2022.
ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে Yes, disposed.
Great.
For same matter, Lordship, petitioner seeks to refund. Petitioner is the retired teacher and exercise option under Rupa 90.
Petitioner?
Is the retired teacher, Lordship,
Uh-huh.
and exercise option under Rupa 90.
All right.
And petitioner seeks to refund the employer's share with interest.
Disposed.
So I am for the petitioner. Widow seeks to refund, Lordship.
File a report. Yes, where is the difficulty?
Died in harness. Died in harness, Lordship, in the 2005.
Disposed.
Is the same matter, Lordship? Widow seek to refund.
57 পর্যন্তই ডাকবেন, আদার্স গুলো ডাকবেন না।
Corrected Lordship's order, Lordship.
Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is the widow.
Widow. Disposed.
They are also widow.
Disposed.
Replicable.
Lord, I am for the petition. For CPF to GPA barrier transfer.
Disposed. সুব্রত বাবু, হ্যাঁ নেব।
The next matter is a transfer matter, but unfortunately it has been tagged in next. Well, can it be
I do
taken?
not want to take up any more matters because a lot of matters have been
Well,
discussed.
this is quite separate. I am telling you, Lordship.
Yes,
This
so
is not
separate,
the-
we'll take it on
no.
the next day.
My lord, I have been recommended in a school for transfer. I went there. My lord, they said, the school said, we have no post. My lord, then, my lord, it has been remanded back to the school service commission. I applied school service commission, kindly recommend me. This is the matter only.
देखी 58 टा देखी. But then no further. Then the 1 p.m. matters will be taken up from 1. Transfer matters from 1. I've got 5 minutes time. I'll come back. I do not want to put anybody in trouble. Yes.
Now, my lord, if your lordship kindly have a look, my lord, my recommendation.
Page.
This is the, my lord.
This is the representation made to online mallet, prayer for re-recommendation.
Why re-recommendation?
I am telling, my lord. My lord, I was transferred in a particular school. I went there to join. This school says there is no vacancy. Then, my lord, I say, prayed for re-recommendation.
All right, that is pending before the commission. Acha, ashun to. The petitioner's prayer seeking transfer was considered and allowed. Stop. His name, his name was recommended in respect of his school. Stop. At the time, now, when the petitioner went to join the recommended school, he was informed that there was no vacancy. Stop. The petitioner seeks a direction upon the commission for re-recommending his name in some other school where there is vacancy. Stop.
My lord, page 28, my lord.
His
তার আগে আছে, ঠিক আছে।
His application seeking re-recommendation is pending consideration before the Central School Service Commission. Stop. The instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the commission to recommend the name of the petitioner to such a school after verifying the vacancy position. In such a school, in a
My lord, I have
after verifying the vacancy position. ঠিক আছে? At the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order.
What is the first order directing the petitioner, directing the commission to hear out the petitioner and show certificate where she can be.
It will be open for the petitioner to submit a list of preferred schools where he would like to be recommended.
My lord, prayer F, I have given the number, name of the school, prayer F. If your lordship kindly page 11.
Along with this communication, give the names, they will consider. আমি উঠবো, টাই বসবো।
Within, my lord,
Lot of matters have been taken up. সেগুলো অর্ডার গুলোকে করতে হবে। Yesterday's matters are pending. আগে প্রচুর মামলা। Yes, corruption হয়ে যাচ্ছে। আমি কি কাজ করতে পারছি না আমি। So what, I'll take that. I cannot assure you. I cannot assure. Actually, a lot of matters have been called up today and my officers are required to prepare it. And I need to sign it.
and
It
all
get
those,
piled
all
up.
those matters are disposed of.
Yes, so many matters have been disposed and those are
Yes.
to be signed.
Yes.
I cannot keep files pending at my chamber. I'll come back in 5 minutes. Okay.
I am for the. It is a medical ground application. It's second time the petition is coming before your lordship. Now, our application went before the CMO is concerned.
Self medical ground.
Pending before DI. Now CMO is allowed, and still then it is pending before the DI.
Self medical ground DI.
But CMO is just recommendation annexed in the report.
My lord, I am for the petitioner, led by Mr. Supraprakash Lahiri. My lord, this is the general transfer distance count. T22. My lord, kindly page 79, my lord. This is my online application, my lord. My lord, back to DI, my lord, single subject teacher. Service. Last remarks, my lord, page
Yes.
69, P5, my lord, DI of
Head of the institution, the school will consider. You have similar orders?
Yes, my lord.
Give.
My junior of Mr. Lahiri.
Single subject teacher.
My lord, Amrita Sinha, my lord, this is single subject.
79 page. Yes. 79 page. What do you want to show?
School authority will again forward the application.
The same. School. School will consider and forward it up.
My lord, kindly, 3, my lord, she could not arrange any teacher on my lord, DI back to the ground in the single subject teacher, my lord.
Yes, next.
Because
348.
Lordship.
Not today.
Not today. Not today.
This is a payment not today only.
Not
I'm
today.
asking for second report.
Not today.
Hold on, 356. 356 হলো না, not today হলো।
Not today.
হ্যাঁ।
Yes.
না, কোথায়? আমি ইমতিয়াজ ছিল তো। কেন করলো জানি না।
361.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm at
Transfer
second
on
report, your
general
lordship.
ground pending before the school authority without any decision. My lord, better extract is here, my lord. I have also annexed, my lord. That is illegal.
School.
Distance ground pending before the school.
360 দিয়ে দে নাও।
Yes.
School.
360 dispose of. Dispose of হলো তো?
Petitioner. My lord, I am playing the setting aside the decision of the school authority that I am a single teacher. My claim is, my lord, I am not a single teacher. As because, my lord, I am the single teacher in history in HS section. There are, my lord, 3 other teachers in normal section. My lord, kindly see the staff pattern, present staff pattern of the school. My lord, your lordship, now.
Assuming even if you are a single teacher, they cannot.
They
So
can-
why go
my lord,
into all these things?
My lord, even my lord, in case, my lord, I am relying on division bench judgment, my lord, where division bench held if there is another teacher in the school, that 3rd January will not apply. My lord, this is the ratio of the.
দেখি
No, no, 3rd January cannot follow.
দিয়ে দে সিগনেচার দিয়ে দেখি কি করবি দিয়ে দে
here the teachers were in the 11-12 stage.
Yes, 9, 10 and 11, 12. One
Is
11,
that
12
he is
and
the only teacher? In 11 and 12,
Yes.
both on the same grade.
My
Here,
lord, grade is here also same. My lord, I have stated in my application, both have my lord PG degree who can teach the student. My lord, in 11, 12 also. I have my lord, stated elaborately in my writ application. My lord, in paragraph number. Paragraph number 8, I have stated both have ME degree. Normal section আছে তিনজন মাস্টার ডিগ্রি করেছে তাহলে আমি কেন সিঙ্গেল
They are getting.
করে দিয়েছে ধ্যান
না, ওটা মানে normal section এ যাতে HS section এ পেয়ে পায় যে পড়বে ক্লাস হবে তাহলে
টিজি স্কেল পাচ্ছে তো
ওটা normal section.
all are getting the same scale.
Yes, my lord, PG
9,
scale.
10.
Yes, my lord, PG scale.
Normal section.
নরমাল সেকশনে পিজি স্কিল কি করে পাবে
There is no distinction. Honorable division bench judgment clarify করে দিয়েছে ওটা also clarified. Prior to 17 appointment করে
ওই টিচাররা
please
পাচ্ছে
come.
কিনা সেটা কিন্তু জানে
The petitioners pray for transfers to rejected on the ground that he is a single subject teacher. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner denies that the petitioner is a single subject teacher. Stop. Submission is that there are 2 other teachers in the same scale of pay in the said subject. Stop. Who's for the state?
State earlier occasion appeared.
Who appeared? Ashish Guha, Naren Ghosh Dostidar, none are here. Acha. None represents the state respondents. Stop. Let notice be served upon the state respondent, intimating that the matter will appear in the list on 9th of December. Stop. The learned advocate representing the state respondents shall obtain a report from the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Murshidabad, disclosing as to whether the petitioner is a single subject teacher in the said school. Stop. The report shall also disclose whether there are any other teachers who can teach the subject in the event the petitioner is transferred from the said school.
Also, can you direct the staff pattern, my lord, to details of the staff pattern?
The details of the staff pattern shall also be
Grateful.
made known in the report. এটা কি জিনিস এটা দিয়ে দেবেন
My
কোথায়
lord,
পেলো জানি না
Yes, sir.
yes
P62, my lord.
for the state.
My lord,
for the
ground transfer application pending before the school authority without any decision. Extract is below page 17. My lord, application, first serial, it is pending before the school authority.
yes
My lord, 64, my lord, I am for the petitioner. It is transfer on medical ground pending before the school.
63
63 না
63 হয়নি 62 হলো
63 টা কে আছে?
63 আছে
63
আমার প্রশ্ন
পেন্ডিং
60 কত 63 I'm sorry
হ্যাঁ
63
ও আছে
Aruna Pramanik.
Orna Pramani, my lord.
What is it?
My lord, kindly come to online application pending before HO. No,
HOI?
no. Page 89 is the status. Then
Status how
no,
cannot be read.
it says forwarded to HOI. Just beneath.
Forwarded to HOI.
Now, the DI writes to the page 93. Page 93. DI writes to the school.
Yes.
What step has been taken to be intimated?
DI writes to the school. Prayer of Aruna Pramanik. Yes, that means it is before the DI.
Yes, what step the school has taken? Action taken report, because school has not taken any step. That's why the action taken report was sought for by the DI.
So it is pending before the school. It has to be
Let there be
taken.
direction upon the school to forward it to DI to
The previous
consider.
table 18 and page 18 and extract shows the
School pending.
it has been made before the school authority and it is pending before the school authority.
Since the school has not forwarded, possibly due to suspension of portal.
School.
And the DI to take steps after in consequential steps.
School.
What are the
Yes.
consequential steps?
The DI. And all consequential steps.
64
এই দিয়ে দিলাম
হ্যাঁ
64 হলো কোনটা 364.
Yes, my lord. I am for the petition transfer on self-medical ground pending before the school authority. My lord, extract is below. Page 20. Page 20 is the extract. It is pending before the school authority medical ground, my lord. In accordance with the rules, my lord, they should decide and my lord.
HY. Yes, disposed.
আমারই
পড়ি আছে ওদের খেয়াল ছিল না। 65 আমার নেই।
I'm sorry.
চেম্বারের কম্পিউটার নতুন
My lord, this is my application for transfer, my lord, on the ground of distance, my lord, has been rejected by the school on the ground of single teacher.
Where is it?
My lord, page number 21, if your lordship kindly sees once. My lord, the
Is there other side there?
serial number 1.
My lord, I am for the commission.
My lord, I have, my lord, a similar order of this honorable court if I can hand up.
Let me see. God. Single teacher.
The affidavit of service.
Rejected by.
Take his status দেখা দেখো 374
Been rejected by this. This application seeking general transfer has been rejected by this. আচ্ছা না এটা তো হবে না No, this is not the order. Single teacher, I've got a separate order.
Okay.
There is a separate order.
Lordship.
Not this. This is a mere consideration of the application.
But if I just, I just request your lordship, since my lord, it is already decided by the honorable lordship, your lordships as well, that the school cannot reject on the ground of single teacher. I'll just request your lordship so that they can just forward to the DI, and the DI, my lord, can, my lord, take care, my lord, so that they take the other consequential steps, my lord, to forward it to the commission and the other things.
This post of এটা হবে না. Please return this. তা না হলে গন্ডগোল হয়ে যাবে. এই কিছু একটা বার করেছিল শৈলেশ, দেখি দেখি। Wait, তো এইটাই দিয়েছিল, ঠিক আছে। ফার্স্ট প্যারাগ্রাফে যেখানটা কেটে দিলাম না, ওইটা কেটে দিয়ে পুরো পরেরটা করো। দেখি আর একটু তুলুন দেখি নিচে। ওয়েট, প্যারাগ্রাফ 2, হ্যাঁ, such rejection was challenged হবে না। প্যারাগ্রাফ 2 এর ফার্স্ট সেন্টেন্স হবে, then the next will
I can hand over the copy if your lordship requires.
ঠিক আছে। Yes,
Page 76. Single subject.
Page. This is also single subject teacher.
I'm reading for your lordship, page 76.
Page
School returned.
76.
As per administrator order of number such and such, you would not be allowed to get NOC because you are not only single teacher in work education. This is the order, my lord.
HOI, ঠিক আছে।
This is the order.
এটা দিয়েছে দেখুন তো।
This is the order, my lord. This.
এটা আমি তো পাল্টা দিয়েছি, সেম জিনিসই, এটা ওখানেই আছে, এইটা বাদ যাচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে।
79.
এ-
That, my
এটা
lord.
এগুলো কিন্তু দেখে নেবেন, এই কপি করতে গিয়ে সব গন্ডগোল হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
My lord, school is to forward to the DI. DI will take steps.
Yes.
That observation of your lordships.
Yes, post.
এখানে ওখানে আছে, ওটা আছে। আপনি
Yes, next.
My lord, I am for the commission.
I am for second.
My lord, এটা তো ইয়ে হয়ে গেছে বোধহয়, cancel. My lord, it is perhaps infructuous, my lord. If your lordships kindly turns to page 19, SLST class 910. First SLST.
90.
Page 19.
Oh, 19.
Straight to for the petition, my lord, I am paying for not today.
No, it has. Does
Infructuous.
anything survive your
Service.
service is gone? What remains in the rate?
Nothing. My lord, actually, I am led by Fido Shamim here and I don't have any clear instruction about it.
Where are his other juniors? Take instruction, come back. Yes, 383.
This is the medical ground application or spouse's medical ground application. But it would be same as serial number.
নিচের দিকে রাখো।
But the
House
extract,
medical ground.
the extract of the portal your lordship will find at page 18. District inspector, even after verification from the CMOH, kept it pending. Same would be as serial number 365 of today's.
To page 18, you say?
Yes, my lord.
Pending before DI.
DI.
2 teachers and 1 guest teacher and 1 group D.
Yes.
Then the next one I can see single subject teacher.
My lord, your lordship will see initially that was previous
Serial number 2,
application.
kindly.
Previous application was rejected on the ground of single subject teacher. My lord, last application he makes is serial number 2.
Yes.
My lord, that after that, my lord, that was forwarded by the headmaster to the district inspector. Serial number 1.
At the bottom or at the top?
My lord, here, my
At
lord,
the
what
top.
happens? Yes. My lord,
At the top, I
The
can
top.
see the remarks, 2 teachers and 1 guest teacher and 1 group D.
yes, my lord.
What
He
does it-
forwards it and they, my lord, it says that there are 2 other teachers, group D and everything.
If your
And he
lordship
forwards.
kindly turns to the next page, page 20, the transfer application has already been forwarded to
Yes.
CMOH for verification. my lord.
My lord,
Medical.
even
Then
after,
what happened, nobody knows.
yes,
So, my lord, state
my lord, the
and
lordship.
apprise your lordships, my lord, whether any CMOH
Very well,
report has
very
been
well.
done. or not.
Very well. Otherwise, my lord just can direct my lord the district inspector to after if he get a my lord favorable order from the CMOH.
আমাদের করা আছে, যেটা কমিশনে করা আছে এটা ইয়েতেও হবে, দেখুন ওরকমও করা আছে, ডিআই এর কাছে সিএমওএইচ করবে।
Because once my lord this application goes to the CMOH, my lord, they don't we don't get a answer that
Any-
what is the fate of this.
All right, next.
My the affidavit of service might be taken out.
Yes.
My lord, here, my lord, this initially, my lord, it is rejected on the ground of single teacher, but my lord, subsequently, my lord, in 2016, SLST upper primary, someone else has joined in the school. So I'm no more a single teacher. So my lord, I'll just,
2016 SLST goes.
I'm sorry, my lord, the upper primary selection process.
Yes.
Someone else has joined in my own subject. So if you request your lordship, my lord, to seek instruction, if the
Who's
state,
the
my lord,
state?
comes and apprise your lordship.
Where is the rejection, please show?
My lord, that your lordship will find at page number 22.
My lord, 22, my lord, kindly see serial number 1 and 2.
Application exceeding 10%.
Yes.
My lord, applicant to HY, last application, and
Yes, yes.
HY returned to the applicant.
Lordship.
Exceeding
10%.
10%.
Prior that, your lordship kindly turns to sees, my lord.
22. It's long back. Nobody knows.
My lord, liberty may be given to the
Yes.
petitioner to apply.
Serial number 5, my lord, kindly sees once.
Yes.
My lord, it
Single
went up
teacher.
to the school service commission, and that it returned on the ground of single subject teacher. Though, my lord, that ground is not there in the hand of the
Subsequent filing of the application, my lord.
Absolutely, I do not deny this.
লিখুন তো, the petitioner's application seeking transfer was returned to him, her,
Not him.
Shanta,
The petitioner is a lady.
by the school on the ground that the same exceeded the 10% limit. Stop. আচ্ছা ডেটটা দিয়ে দিন তো, on 27th January 2022 রিটার্ন যেখানে বললাম না 27 January. Learned advocate representing the state respondents is directed to revert with written instruction from the District Inspector of Schools, Paschim Mednipur,
My lord.
with regard to the current staff strength of the school.
Great.
Stop. Specific mention shall be made as to whether the petitioner's application for transfer can be considered at this stage.
Grateful.
Released 9th of December.
Grateful, man. The affidavit of service, man.
Yes.
The application for transfer on general ground pending before the district inspector school. 415. এটা দিয়ে দিন Joseph.
Before the head of the institution.
No, district inspector. This
Yeah.
melody I have handed over.
Oh. করে নিলেন। দেখে নেবেন। ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট। ডিআই ঠিকঠাক লিখেছে কিনা দিয়ে দিচ্ছে, তারপর আবার কারেকশনে আসছে। ইয়েস
415 এটা তো
50
50
450
My lord, this is my application, my lord. On any other ground, my lord, rejected by the district inspector on the ground of being single teacher. My lord, here your lordship will kindly seize page number 33. It is a Gmail, a mail communication, because my client, my lord, did not keep that extract of the portal in my case, because now it is not even available.
Page
33, my lord. My lord, if I, my lord, place before your lordship that Uttar Dinajpur DI, lordship will see the mail ID. It says DIACUD Uttar Dinajpur. Your application for transfer has been back to you.
Bye.
My lord, that is not written, but I'm a single teacher, my lord. I have stated that thing in my affidavit. If I request your lordship to see page number 5 once, because
There is nothing to show, and you say you are a single
my lord, if
teacher.
you are on affidavit, my lord, kindly sees page number 5 once. Page number 5, my lord, kindly sees once, because he did not keep the extract. This is the fault that is there on the part of the petitioner here.
But then, are you sure it was mentioned in your rejection?
Absolutely, man. I've stated what has been mentioned. Kindly sees page number 5 once. Because I have stated that in my affidavit, on affidavit.
My lord,
Definitely will object.
Done by the PI.
My lord, let the DI, my lord, file a short, my lord.
Page number 5, paragraph number 4, my lord, I have stated.
Alright.
What did DI say?
My lord,
My lord, the affidavit of service, my lord, will be taken on.
Yes.
my lord, your lordship has disposed it. Disposed of.
My lord, here, this writ petition, my lord, is infructuous now because one of the candidate of this mutual transfer application is of 2016 SLS.
Oh, very good.
Only,
459. The writ petition has
only
been
one prayer, my lord.
advocate for petitioner submits that the writ petition has become unfair.
Only one prayer, my lord.
Single teacher left, make fresh application.
Yes, but that liberty to be given that since
No, my lord.
once I apply,
My lord, 459 mutual transfer application, my lord, the petition number 1, petition number 1, my lord, he already got mutually transferred once. My lord, according to the rules, my lord,
I am just
his
saying that
entire
the matter is
service
infructuous.
2016 teacher, service is gone. Where is the mutual transfer? Why waste energy on matters where it's not required?
no, battery is overcharged. I'm not getting any chance to my lord, discharge it.
So, my lord, I'll just pray your lordship's liberty, one of the incumbent, my lord, so that he can make any application. He is
No
not
liberty. If your application becomes infructuous, you can always do
one
it.
of the petitioners because there are two petitioners.
Yes. Second petitioner.
You can always do it. I don't think there is any liquid liberty is required.
As your lordship.
461.
Great to add for the petitioner.
Yes.
This is a mutual transfer, my lord.
Both are in service.
Yes, my lord. We made a representation, my lord.
Representation? Why not in the prescribed format?
Yes, my lord.
Where? Representation will not do. It has to be in a prescribed format. Petitioners seek mutual transfer. Stop. It appears that application by the petitioners have not been made in the prescribed format. Stop. Next. In view of the above, the instant writ petition stands disposed of with the observation that it will be open for the petitioners to apply for mutual transfer in the prescribed format. Stop. In the event such application is made, comma, the same shall be considered by the authorities in accordance with law.
Within my lord time, otherwise.
There is no application.
Well, I made an application, my lord. I made an application.
Let the baby be born, then put him or her in the school.
अरे बोले थे ना prescribe format.
Prescribed format, my lord, I made an application.
464.
With all fairness, I submit that I did not make in prescribed pro forma. Yet, DI has considered page 91. Based on my, I've sent this application to all the authorities, to DI as well.
Send the representation to the authorities, my lord, DI.
DI has said the portal is suspended and he had not, though I have applied through the school, but admittedly not in prescribed pro forma, but in paper application. So, my lord,
The petitioner seeks transfer. Stop. Our application was returned by the District Inspector of Schools, Secondary Education, Noida, on the ground that the Uchshosri portal is temporarily suspended. Next. The issue as to whether temporary suspension of the Uchshosri portal will disable a teacher not to apply for transfer has been decided by the court in the matter of এটা দিয়ে দেবেন তো
আচ্ছা
This will remain with us. ঠিক আছে এবারে the petitioner is directed now it will be open for the petitioner to make application seeking transfer in the prescribed format. The head of the institution shall consider the hard copy of the documents that will be forwarded by the petitioner to the school. School forward.
And not to withhold on the ground of temporary suspension of portal. That may be recorded, my lord.
Yes.
That passover matter will be grateful to lord.
Yes.
380, my lord. Could be.
এটা 380 এই তো 5 রকম আছে এটা কি এই বান্ডেলের
My lord, 16 SLST matter, my lord.
16 is the petitioner here.
He has come, my lord.
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা কোনো কোড এখন হচ্ছে না
I'm
Yes.
extremely sorry, my lord. My juniors, my lord, they missed the brief, my lord.
Wait.
They missed the brief.
2016 SLST candidate, does anything survive in the application for transfer?
If my learned friend says so, I have
Yes.
full faith on my learned
Yes.
friend. But today, my lord, my juniors, my lord,
Doesn't matter. What to do?
they disposed of, my lord, disposed of. Because this is not.
The petitioner selection.
Miss করেছেন।
The petitioner was appointed pursuant to the recruitment process of past SLST 2016. The service of all teachers. The 2016 recruitment process has been set at naught by the Honorable Supreme Court. In view of the above, the prayer of the petitioner seeking transfer becomes infructuous. The writ petition stands dismissed.
Kindly, instead of disposed of.
If it is dismissal, it is dismissal. Service God.
Yes, my lord.
আচ্ছা এটা
Grateful, grateful.
item 5.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, if your lordship kindly see, that we were concentrating on page 25 and 29. But I will not take your lordship's much
25
time.
and 29.
Yes. But in 29, but in 11 and 12, sorry, 9, 10, but the detail has been given where the teacher's unique code has been mentioned. Now in 25, page 25, but this is omitted.
Missing.
Yes. Now your lordship can see the interesting part, page 27.
Yes.
But the candidate filed a token, but it said that
Valid for 5 minutes.
it's yes, it is for edit option. Well, kindly have a look to this. This is regarding editing. Because if there is any mistake, একটাই copy আছে।
Is it your case by mistake you could not do it?
Yes.
So the commission was right that you could not.
No. May I complete? May I complete? Kindly have a look to this notice minute. The edit option notice has been given. Notice regarding edit option, experience details so and so. This is to notify all concerned that so and so in classes so and so that the online portal will be open for collection of the experience detail from this to this. The candidates will have to first log in and choose. Well, this I have done. And if your lordship kindly sees কোথায় গেল হ্যাঁ নিশ্চয়ই দেখো yes now your lordship kindly sees page 27. After this was done, the candidate ID was uploaded, page 27. And if your lordship kindly look into the notification once. This notification published on 29th May 2025, it said the selection process how to be held. Now, prior teaching experience of 10 marks. If your lordship kindly have a look.
So what you want to show from there?
But the edit portion was there. If anything is missed out, there is a provision to edit. That we have done. Now, we have filled up the form. We have submitted the in prescribed format. Now, the difficulty is that the 10 marks have not been given. Now, today, the case of before your lordship is that I have not been given 10 marks. My lord, kindly have a look to my page 32.
That you have shown me that you have
Yes.
been awarded.
Yes. Now, that is the case. The notice, this notice, which I have just now handed over to your lordship, this notice says that regarding edit option, those who have missed out some of the portion because I am a teacher of class 9 and 10. So, I have mentioned the experience of 9 and 10 in 9 and 10. In 11, 12, I cannot mention their experience. That is why the edited option was later on uploaded. This has been uploaded on 1st of August.
Where did I get it? What is it?
Maybe come back with instruction on this edit option because we need to
No,
verify
this edit
this.
option is there.
Well, nothing is completed when he has done
The
this.
document is there. Page 27.
Just a document.
See, 5th August.
It's a verification token.
This really does not disclose much. Maybe just come back on Monday with instruction.
And in the meantime, if time flies, I do not know, you'll be in trouble. Please come.
If he has
The
edited,
petitioner
we'll give him.
participated in second
find,
SLST.
if we verify that he has given it, then we will award the marks. That is
Very well, very well. Fair enough. Fair enough.
Then what is the use of keeping it pending?
My lord, kindly send it to them.
Yes, you check up
Because
if it has been submitted in terms of this notice, verify and see if he has
very
done
well,
it.
my lord. We'll verify. We will verify, and if it is found that he has edited and
petitioner
given it, we will
participated in
award
the
the marks.
Great.
Second SLST. Stop. He did not fill up his details in respect of prior teaching experience. Stop. For non-submission, prior teaching experience at the time of filing the application on
11th July, my lord.
11th of July 2025. Stop. After option was provided by the commission for editing the experience details in terms of the notice of the commission dated 1st August 2025, the petitioner claims to have edited and submitted the details of his prior teaching experience. Stop. Result of the examination has been declared, but the petitioner has not been awarded any marks for prior teaching experience. Stop. It has been submitted that as the petitioner is a teacher in a government-sponsored school, accordingly, marks on account of prior teaching experience ought to be awarded to him. Paragraph. According to the commission, there is nothing on record to suggest that the petitioner actually edited and submitted the details of his prior teaching experience in terms of the advertisement. Stop. Paragraph. Be that as it may, as the petitioner claims that his application form was edited on 5th August 2025 and the verification token of the editing is annexed at page 27 of the writ petition. Accordingly, the instant writ petition stands disposed of by directing the commission to verify its records to ascertain as to whether the petitioner actually submitted the details of his prior teaching experience.
Grateful.
In the event it is found that the petitioner has put in the details, and the petitioner will be eligible for receiving marks on account of prior teaching experience, then necessary consequential steps shall be taken by the commission in this regard.
Obliged.
The earliest disposed.
But any time frame?
Earliest I have mentioned because they have their own time schedule and they are functioning.
Very well, very well.
Malad, may I mention item number 4, Malad?
Rahul.
This was also concerning prior teaching experience. We have informed the petitioners orally that we would be mentioning, Malad, and they have informed to us that those who have mentioned about the prior teaching experience, those have been awarded to them. That is something that they missed out during the submission. And also, Malad, what
is the order of the court?
To consider the portal, there was at page 67 and 66, they have annexed some grievances which is not directed, which was not to the commission. It was in the Chief Minister's grievance redressal portal, which
Not
the
to the
No,
commission.
my lord. No, my lord.
What is to be done?
My lord, the order of the court was to consider, for the
Yes.
commission to consider. My lord,
Right.
this is not directed to us. The representations has not been made to us. This we have
Where is
also.
where is the learned advocate for the petitioner?
Yes, left.
My lord, we informed him. We had a detailed talk with him over the
Item
telephone.
number 4.
Oh, Nikesh Madi.
Monday it will
Oh,
be
Nikesh
listed.
Madi, আচ্ছা, আচ্ছা।
It will be listed. আজকের কোনো অর্ডার হবে না। নেবেন টু বি মেনশন। Let it remain as urgent motion, and today's order will not be
So grateful.
put up in the server. And please intimate the learned.
My lord.
এটা রাখুন। এটা আপনার
কেন?
which matter is yours?
Next matter 59. Yes, yes.
Special वाली चाय गरम चाय